Hey guys, welcome to 4K Blu-ray. Today I'm going to show you Home on the Range and Treasure Planet. And both are 2 discs only, 1 Blu-ray and 1 DVD. So let's start with Home on the Range. Everything's fully embossed, very nice. Very pretty. Back cover. So it has the exact same artwork. And says right here on the back cover, region free, ABC. So let's take a look at the artwork. Code for your Disney movie rewards and 2 discs. DVD, it's simple and gray, and the Blu-ray of course is blue. Eco-friendly case. Says right there region 1 for the DVD and region 3 ABC for the Blu-ray. Let me show you Treasure Planet now. And just like the other one, it is also fully embossed. The Blu-ray, the names, all the characters. Really nice. So here's the front, here's the back, the exact same artwork, and it says right here in the back, region free, ABC. So let's take a look. Here's the code for your Disney movie rewards, and once again, a gray DVD, region 1, and a Blu-ray blue color, region 3. Now let me show you the special features here and audio subtitles. Both titles have the exact same audio and subtitle options. English as DTS HD Master Audio 5.1, as well as French, Spanish and Portuguese from Brazil, Dolby Digital 5.1. Yeah, that's right. Treasure Planet and Home on the Range has Portuguese from Brazil. And also comes with their music videos. For Home on the Range we have Anytime You Need a Friend from the Beale Sisters. And from Treasure Planet we have I'm Still Here from John Resnick. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. If you happen to have any questions, feel free to ask. And I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. And see you next time.